Here, we are debating for peace under the theme of dialogue over division. Youth voices for a united country. So the students are here trying to debate how our nation, how our country can be more united. Recently, we have experienced political discourse from our leaders. They have been very divisive. And so we feel as a club, there is something we need to correct. Otherwise, this particular young generation, they are looking at us as leaders. So if you are the people who are advocating divisive politics, what do we expect our students to do?
Kwa hivyo kikundi hiki ama mijadala ambayo tunayo siku ya leo inasaidia kukuza uongozi bora katika wanafunzi. Vile vile inawezesha kuwa jasiri kwa sababu wanazungumza mbele ya watu kwa ujasiri, na pia ndio wale viongozi wa kesho. Kwa hivyo tunakuza uongozi mzuri kati yao, na pia migogoro inayokumba wanafunzi vile vile wanaweza wakatatua baina yao. Sio lazima mwanafunzi akamwone mwalimu ili kutatua tatizo lile ambalo wanafunzi wa Money Club wanaweza kulitatua wenyewe kwa wenyewe.
The country now we are headed to elections, and this is a very critical time when it comes to the youth, and we are using them to pass the information in peace, because all around you've seen what is happening around with our politician, with people around, the language they are using currently.
Mimi naweza himiza watu wengi, maana wakuze watu waruhusu hii mtaala wa mjadala uweze kuingia katika shule mingi. Maana inapokuza amani, jamii yetu itaweza kupiga. Unapotazama nchi kama kaunti ama majimbo mengine huku, unapata majimbo yana amani. Lakini tunapokutana katika shule tofauti tofauti, maana chanzo cha amani ni vijana. Vijana ni wengi Kenya. Sasa tunapowakuza amani katika mioyo yao, unapata tunaweza kuinua jamii inayoleta amani na isiyo na tatizo.
Na tugitigana na icio riu tumurike ingi ciigie muthe wa kimabũrũri wa mai. Honge itiganite aũndũmwe na thirikari hamwe na mathibitarĩ nĩciũkĩte hamwe harĩ gũkorwo igĩkũngũĩra mũthĩ ũyũ wa kĩmabũrũri wa maĩ. Kambuni ya Danco nĩyugĩte atĩ ĩrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ kwenja ithima, kũrĩa nayo kambuni ya Mewase yugĩte atĩ nĩgũtigĩrĩra atĩ mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Meru ũrĩ na maĩ ma kũigana, maĩ marĩa nĩ matheru. Oho mathibitarĩ nĩmathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makĩũria mũingĩ wĩtĩkĩre gũkorwo ũgĩcamũkia maĩ na nĩguo gũkorwo ũkĩnyua maĩ matheru.
Is deemed water and gender. Across many parts of Kenya, sisi wote tunajua women and girls continue to bear the greatest burden when water is scarce. Now in rural communities, especially where we are, and arid regions, the work and they walk long distances to access this commodity and spend hours that could be utilized in other productive endeavors, and that is why we cannot say it is business as usual, because they must be involved in leadership and decision making on matters water. The government of Kenya is firmly committed to ensuring that access to water and sanitation in line with the Constitution and specifically Article 43 is fulfilled. We have a strategic focus that is very clear as day and night, of expanding access, increasing sanitation coverage, strengthening urban sewerage systems, reducing non-revenue water, and expanding water storage across the country.
Tunashukuru sana kwa sababu ya rais. Umeona watu wanasema hakuna watu kwa serikali, ati mlima imetoka kwa serikali. Watu wote si ni watu wa mlima, si ndio? Hii serikali ni yetu, ndio tulipigia kura. Tunaambia wale wanadanganyana wamejionea kwa macho. Tumesikia wakiongozi wengine hapo wakitukana huyu waziri anaitwa Eric Mugaa. Jamaa anajua kazi yake. There is no better person to become the Minister of Water other than Eric Mugaa, kijana wa hapa Meru. Rais ameweka ile inaitwa bill ya National Infrastructure Fund. Huo ni mfuko wa fedha wa kutengeneza mabarabara yote ambayo yamekwama. Na tunaanza na ile Nithi Bridge ambayo tumeiwekea 7 billion. Tumeweza kujenga masoko haya inaendelea masoko 18.
Kihistoria tu Waziri, ili eneo is the most northerly part of Mount Kenya, where the learners have never seen a stream or a river. A river is only described using the surface runoff. Consider this constituency, put it under affirmative action to put more boreholes, dams, and other water generating.
We are disadvantaged. Sio kupenda kwetu kukoza mito, ni mambo ya Mungu. Lakini now we are lucky. We have one of our own at a possession. Ili anaweza kutumia kutusaidia. Na hiyo utatusaidia na tutapata maji na story ya maji inaenda kufika mwisho.
Na tulioshiige mai tuciuke ginyagia kuria mwena wa Igembe. Wagi wa mai Igembe ya Rugongo ni gatagati ka mathina maria makoretwo makigumira muingi na njira nene. Oho kuririkana ati muingi ukoretwo ugitagika na muno atumia kuona ati makoretwo magithie ng'endo ndaya kana ng'endo ndaya hari gukorwo magethana na mai maya. Mwandiki munene ministry ya mai oigite ati gicigo giki ni kimwe gia icigo iria ikuria Meru iria itari rakinyoro ni motungata ma mai, akiuga ati thirikari ni ireka mituki.
Today is World Water Day, and the theme of today, water and gender, causes us to confront an issue that we've always ignored: availability of water to the community. We find that it is women who bear this burden. Us as Danco Capital Limited have come to support the ministry and donate pipes. We know that pipes is not just material, it is an unseen system that makes sure water reaches to people effectively and efficiently and sustainably for future generations. So we are happy to partner with a lot of government institutions, WSPs, to provide this solution to the semi-arid areas and to the water companies around here, so that we make sure that equality is available for all. For this project, they will benefit from a borehole which is being drilled here. Then the water will be harvested and distributed to the local community. At the moment, yes, we supply to almost all WSPs countrywide. We offer our solutions, which are piping, fittings, and also meters for them.
Tuko tunaona the river kaditi ilikuwa imekauka, but for now we thank God that now the rains have come. We have the rains. Ndiposa tunaomba watu wetu wa Meru, at this time that we have a lot of water. Tunaomba watu wetu wote tuweze kuwa na enough water storage, ili kwamba wakati wa kiangazi tutakuwa na maji ya kutosha ya kutumia katika maboma yetu, na pia tutakuwa na maji ya kutosha hata kufanya kilimo. We do encourage people to have the water storage tanks in their homes, and also for this one, we are very grateful for the county government here to Meru and also the national government, because so for some few days ago tuliona kwamba serikali imeanza kuanza kufanya the dam uko katika the Mutuaru forest, ambayo itaweza kuongezea maji katika watu wetu wote wa Meru.
At least tumeweza kuona wagonjwa almost 400 plus. Tumerealize hapa magonjwa mingi yenye yanaweza letwa na maji, especially wakati maji hajatreatiwa vizuri, magonjwa kama ya amweba, magonjwa kama ya typhoid, magonjwa kama ya H. pylori. Most of these diseases are water related and they are fecal oral. So tunawafunza jinsi ya kuprevent. Tuko na nutritionist wenye walikuwa pia wanaelekeza vile wanafaa kutreat maji before watumie.
And we are glad to collaborate in this International World Water Day to be able to bring to us some of the effects of water in our community. And particularly, we have to say that diarrheal diseases is one of the leading problems that come out as a result of poor water and sanitation equipment, and actually the availability of water itself. The hospital has actually dug several boreholes in the community to ensure availability of water.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti icio ciĩgiĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ maĩ, tũkwamba gwĩkĩrĩrwo hanini nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩku. we ewe ni wenderera we kawira kau gaku o investire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukuwa indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system ira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi tawa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macemanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao ĩngĩ yao ĩrĩ Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩngĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kuria Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kung'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa ye. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164 0703-164-003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving. Drive with confidence. Muturire uria turatura ni uri na mitangiko na mathina maingi.
Maundu macio mekuo no ti mega kuringana na kiugo kia Ngai ti mega tondu kiugo kia Ngai kiugaga atiriri maundu maria mothe mekagirwo nduma-ini iria nene muthenya umwe ni mariguorio na maigwo gacumbire andu othe merore nake mundu ariugaga atiriri nyumba ya usiri ni nyumba mbaya. Yeah.
Ni nyumba tena gikeno.
Ndina gikeno.
Ngaigua hau gatagati-ini ringi ari ho 2,000 peke yake. Riu ono ngiagakorwo nginya ni akinya ni gutiga wira ona ni kuhoya arahoya fia ya kuinuka.
Tabarira-ini ya Shararuku woka ni maundu ma mucii tukahithurania kiria kiraria kingi.
No muhaka atumia mamarie. No muhaka athuri metekirie uguo ati undu wa maundu maria matumaga mutumia aigwendetwo ni muthuri wake to gutikirwo kia ona guthikiririo
na niguo ndukanerire na uge
tari koroni doi.
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka mwambiririo kwambiriria thaa 2 cia hwaini. Mwangaza wa Neno FM Shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa The Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ukanyitanira Celestine Waka The Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiverereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kubiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thiini wa tabarira ya ikumbi ria Kigosho.
Ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nam, karibu ni twacokereria hari kireka ria keri na ria muthia. Thiku nyinyi tu thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto maruguria waki wa reri ya kiriu na murunawe uri ni president wa bururi wa Uganda na niwe Yoweri Museveni runake mubunge wa Luanda ni athite na mbere no kurwa kiregana no horo wigiceceni kana gukorwa kiregana no horo wigiceceni ya reri gukorwo egicenjio mwandikitwo wa mohoro wa irimu wa Wanjiru ni aratariria makiria.
Thutha wa President William Ruto na murunawe wa Uganda Yoweri Museveni kuruguria uraihu wa reri ya SGR kuma Githumo nginyagia muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Uganda itura-ini ria Marava waki uyu wa SGR ugukorori wa itena ria gatatu igitanywo kuoya kilomita 170 kuma Githumo nginya Marava na igukorwo na ceceni kenda cia mugithi ituikanire kaunti-ini ithatu. Ruto na Museveni marakorirwo makiuga reri iyo ikugacirithia wonjoria makiria gatagati ka mabũrũri ma Afrika irathiro kuhuthia uthii na kwadandura utonga wa mabũrũri maya.
Here at Kibos in Kisumu, we take yet another decisive and consequential step. We break ground on the 107-kilometer Kisumu-Malaba section of the SGR, completing nearly 1,000 kilometers seamless rail link from Mombasa to Malaba and forming a vital connection to the Malaba-Kampala line. Beyond Kenya and Uganda, this railway line will serve our partner states in the region.
You know, we had part of the problem of the meter gauge railway, that railway, the one of Naivasha, Molo, Eldoret.
No riu maundu maya mothe mubunge wa Luanda Dick Maungu aronekana kurakario nimo akiuga kuri na njama ibangitwo mwena wa Luanda kaunti ya Vihiga gutikagie na ceceni ya mugithi.
We have the colonial meter gauge railway that has been passing through Luanda for those many years, beginning all the way from Mombasa all the way to Butere.
Maungu ho augite hatina kihoto guthamia ceceni iyo iria yabangitwo gukorwo Rwanda nginyagia kaunti ya Siaya ona thengia wa itura riu gukorwo na ceceni ya mugithi makiria ma miaka 80.
The new SGR inapitia Luanda, lakini kuna changamoto because Luanda tumekuwa na station ambayo imetuserve kwa hiyo miaka yote. But sasa hivi nimeona mpangilio ni kwamba SGR ambayo inapita Luanda tumenyaganywa station imepelekwa Yala.
Mubunge Maungu uria riu athite na mbere na kwaria na marakara maingi arauga mubango ucio wa gucenjia ceceni kuma Yala handu ha Luanda ni guguthukia wonjoria mwena wa ithwiro ria bururi.
Yala is a small town compared to Luanda. We don't deny Yala having their own station, but we are saying look at Luanda. Luanda is an economic hub. We run the second largest market in the country after Karatina and what have you. Look at the turnover of money that goes around Luanda. So Luanda is a very strategic corridor for SGR. We had SGR ilikuwa ikuwe pale mali pale Uchore, lakini kuna ukarabati umefanyikana wakatunyang'anya ile SGR inatoka Uchore going to another town that to me economically is below Luanda, population wise is below Luanda, even in terms of other variables iko chini ya Luanda.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kiheo TV njĩtagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru.
Na riu turekereria na ohoro wige kurumbuya arutwo aria mathomagira thukuru-ini wa Sawagongo na uria uri kaunti-ini ya Siaya nimeyumĩrĩte na gũkorwo makiuga atĩ nimegũkorwo makĩũngania kĩgĩna kĩrĩa gĩgũteithĩrĩria harĩ ũhoro wĩgiĩ kũnina mathĩna marĩa makoretwo makĩgũmĩra thukuru ũyũ. Magĩtongorio nĩ Colonel George Amenya moigĩte ikinya rĩrĩ oho nĩrĩgũteithĩrĩria kũrehe arĩa mathomagĩra thukuru ũyũ hamwe na arĩa marĩ thĩinĩ wa honge itiganĩte.
The issue of old boys coming together came out last year when we visited the second principal, Mr. Paul Nyambala, and we said we need to bring all old boys together so that we can reconnect with the school and also connect with ourselves, because we don't know each other. Since people leave school, everybody goes their way, nobody looks back. And in this old age, one of the challenges is loneliness. And if you get your peers, it becomes easy to connect and reflect on the past. So we are here to reconnect with the school, reconnect with ourselves as old boys of the school. There are many old boys that have been started by different classes, but this time we brought together everybody so we can now have one old boys of Sawagongo. And that's where we are. We want to make this an annual event. And one of the things that we want to move forward is the school has to start a foundation. And this foundation will require all old boys, each to contribute 1,000 shillings only per year to the foundation. If we are 18,000, let's say 15,000 are willing to contribute 1,000 per year. That's not small money. That is a direction the school can go and can be sustained. It becomes a model for the ongoing students. When they come out, they know they have a fallback, they have people they can relate to in different areas. So that's our wish, and we look forward that this success is not going to remain today. We are going to carry it forward.
Today we have the Alumni Day, and this is the first time that we are celebrating this day. This is a day that we call on all alumni to come converge in school to make a reunion with themselves, and also make a reunion with the school, as well as making a reunion with the current students population. It's a day that we encourage those who learned in Sawagongo earlier to come and do mentorship to our students, encourage other students, and also to come and understand the challenges the school is going through, so that we see ways that we can address those challenges together with the former students.
Na riboti ĩyo nĩyo yakorwo ĩgĩtwĩkĩrĩra gaturumo ka mohoro marĩa tuma namo ithaa-inĩ rĩrĩ rĩa thaa mũgwanja. Nĩ ngatho kũrĩ timu yothe ĩrĩa yakorwo ĩgĩtigĩrĩra atĩ mohoro maya nĩmakorwo megũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Juma Wika no ĩrĩtuma na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko ĩtagwo Vivian Wangeci. Njĩtagwo Francis Wairũra. Good afternoon.